Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your GK class. Student, lesson 24 is not coming in your paper, so I am not teaching you. Okay, now today I will teach you lesson 25, that is adventures sports. Student, adventure sports are very dangerous. So in this lesson we will learn about adventures sports. Let's start today's topic. Student, lesson 25, adventure sports. Now adventure sports are extremely dangerous, risky and life threatening. Now student, name of the following adventure sports. Choose your answer from the box. Here the helping box. Okay. Now student, adventure sports, action sports or extreme sports are activities perceived as involving a high degree of risk. These activities often involve speed, height, a high level of physical exertion, and highly specialized gear. Now, student, first is Switzerland. Now, first is Switzerland. What sport is in this picture? Student, this is picture of paragliding sports. Okay, paragliding is the recreational and competitive adventure sports of flying paragliders, lightweight free flying, foot launched glider aircraft with no rigid primary structure. The pilot sits in a harness or lies supine in a cocoon-like speed bag. Okay, now speed bag suspended below a fabric wings. So the answer is paragliding. P A R A G L I D I N G. Okay, now paragliding. Next student, second is Namibia. What sport is in this picture? Student, this is picture of sandboarding. Student, sandboarding is a board sport and extreme sport similar to snowboarding. Okay, now that involves riding across or down a sand dune while standing on a board, either with both feet strapped in or while standing loose without bindings. Sandboarding can also be practiced sitting down or laying on the belly or the back. So now answer is sandboarding. Now S A N D, sandboarding, B O A R D I N G. Okay, now sandboarding. Now student, third, Africa. What sport is in this picture, student? This is picture of bungee jumping. Yes, bungee jumping also is bunny jumping is an activity that involves a person jumping from a great height while connected to a large elastic cord. The launching pad is usually erected on a tall structure such as a building or crane, a bridge across a deep ravine, or on a natural geographic feature such as a cliff. Now student, answer is bungee jumping. Now B U N G double E, bungee jumping. J U M P I N G. Okay, bungee jumping. Now, fourth is Canada. What sport is in this picture, student? This is picture of ice climbing. Now, ice climbing is the activity of ascending inclined ice formation. Usually, ice climbing refers to roped and protected climbing of features such as ice falls, frozen waterfalls, and cliffs, and rocks slabs covered with ice refulgence from flows of water. So student, answer is ice, I-C-E, ice climbing, C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Okay, now clear? Now student, fifth is France. What sports is in this picture? Student, this is picture of skiing. Now, skiing is a means of transport using skis to glide on snow. Variation of purpose include basic transport, a recreational activity, or a competitive winter sports. So, student, answer is skiing. Now, S K I-N-G. Okay, now skiing. Student, sixth is USA. Now, student, what sport is in this picture? Student, this is picture of surfing. Okay, now surfing is a surface water pastime in which the wave riders, referred to as a surfer, rides on the forward part or face of a moving wave, which usually carries the surfer towards the shore. So answer is surfing. Now SURFING, surfing. Okay, now seventh is Indonesia. Okay, now what sport is in this picture? Student, this is picture of waterfall kayaking. So student, kayaking is the use of a kayak for moving across water. Now answer is waterfall kayaking. Now water, WATER, water fall. Now kayaking. Okay, now spelling WATER, water, FALLL, fall, kayak, KAYAKING. Okay, now clear? Student, today I told you about adventures sports. I hope you all must have understood very well. So student, now homework. Learn lesson 25, that is adventure sports. Have a nice day. Thank you.